Now we are in our new point on structure of the borax. Formula of the borax is Na2B4O7 10H2O. It is made up of two triangular and two tetrahedral units. Triangular and tetrahedral. Here BOB bond 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time and 5 times. Boron, oxygen, boron bond are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 tetrahedrally arranged, and 4 boron also combines with the OH group into Na plus ion. The iron and water molecules are associated with metal ions. So Na plus ion is surrounded by molecules of the water. Boric acid. Now this is structure of the borax. Now we are in a boric acid. Preparation of the boric acid. How can we prepare boric acid? It is prepared by borax reacting with sulfuric acid. Borax when react with sulfuric acid, it gives boric acid. Na2B4O7 is reacting with sulfuric acid and 5 mole of water. So Na2SO4 it gives 10, 5 to 10, 10 plus 2, 12 hydrogen, 4 boron and 5 plus 7, 12 oxygen. So 12 hydrogen, 4 boron, 12 oxygen gives orthoboric acid. Yes, it is called orthoboric acid, otherwise boric acid. Physical property. Its crystals are soft, white. Powder of boric acid is very soft. We are using as a carom powder in the carom board. Carom માં સ્ટ્રાઇકર હોય એને easily move કરવા powder નાખીએ છીએ, which is boric acid, very soft white, needle like, having a soapy touch. Soap સાબુને અડવાથી કેમ પોચો લાગે એમ એકદમ પોચો હોય છે, soapy touch. It is still volatile. Yes, when we kept open in the air, it will be evaporates. એટલે એની વેપર બની જશે સ્ટીમ, વોલેટાઇલ. એટલે વરાળ સાથે, ગરમ પાણી સાથે, સ્ટીમ સાથેની વરાળ બની જશે. કેમિકલ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ. Orthoboric acid does not donate proton. Yes, like most of the acid, most antipoint, but rather it accepts OH minus. Therefore, it is a Lewis acid and is represented by BOH thrice. When we show structure of boric acid, it's like this. Here 3 hydrogen atoms. તો આપણે શું કહીએ? It is triacidic. Basicity 3. No. અહીંથી H plus release નહીં થાય. But one vacant orbital gains OH minus from the water and it gives BOH4 type of complex and releases 1 H plus ion in the water. So boric acid is a monobasic acid. Boric acid છે એ sulfuric acid માં કેમ? In the sulfuric acid it releases 2H+ ion, so basicity 2. So basic acid છે. Here 3 hydrogen atoms. તો આપણે શું કહીએ? It is triacidic. Basicity 3. No. અહીંથી H plus release નહીં થાય. But one vacant orbital gains OH minus from the water and it gives BOH4 type of complex and releases 1 H plus ion in the water. So boric acid is a monobasic acid. Boric acid છે એ sulfuric acid માં કેમ? In the sulfuric acid it releases 2H+ ion, so basicity 2. No, but in boric acid, it gains 1 OH minus and remaining 1 H plus ion into per one molecule. So it monobasic acid. Lewis acid, except OH, therefore Lewis acid, and represented by BOH thrice. BOH thrice partially react with water to form H3O plus and BOH 4 minus. એટલે એક OH ગેઇન કરે એટલે વોટરમાંથી OH છેલ્લે લેશે H plus remaining રહેશે and behaves as a weak acid. Thus BOH thrice cannot be titrated satisfactorily with NaOH. NaOH is a strong base, where boric acid is very weak acid. So in the titration, in the chemistry lab, boric acid is not give satisfactory result with NaOH because a sharp end point is not obtained. Accurate value, accurate point of neutralization મળતો નથી. If polyhydroxy compound like glycerol, mannitol or sugar are added to titration mixture, then it can be titrated with NaOH. The boric acid only NaOH સાથે titration નહીં આપે, neutralization નહીં થાય. But in the presence of glycerol, mannitol, sugar, એની સાથે reaction કરશે, એની હાજરીમાં reaction આપશે. Effect of temperature on boric acid. Effect of temperature on boric acid. Effect of temperature at 100 degrees Celsius. H3BO3 loses water and convert into metaboric acid. Yes, sir. At 100 degrees Celsius. OH from here, H from here. Removal of water, H2O, gives HBO2. Metaboric acid. Metaboric acid form tetraboric acid on heating at 160 degrees Celsius. So here H2, HBO2, 4 mole combines with each other gives a tetraboric acid. And once again removal of one molecule of water. On strong heating, B2O3 is produced. Boron trioxide. Tetraboric acid. In the strong heating, removal of H2O, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, so remaining 4 boron and 6 oxygen. So B2O3 2 times 2 molecule gives boric acid react with ethyl alcohol to form ethyl borate, which burns with green edge flame. Boric acid react with ethyl alcohol, means ethanol. In the boric acid, structure is like this. In ethanol, OH group, so 1 hydrogen from ethanol and 1 OH from boric acid, HOH, HOH, OH, OH. 3 mole of water releases and boron combines with 3 ethoxy group. So ethyl borate, this part BO3 is called borate and combined with ethyl. So ethyl borate, which burns, ethyl borate burns with green edge, like a flame, ગ્રીન કલરની ફ્લેમ સાથે તે સળગે છે. Green edged flame, it gives. Now structure of orthoboric acid and some borates. At lower concentration, its structure is plain triangle. Yes, sir. Boron has 3 electrons, and all the 3 are combined with the oxygen of OH group. So 3 sigma bond, lone pair 0, bonding 3, lone pair 0. So hybridization is here sp2. So shape is plain triangle. Now structure of a metaborate ion in tetrahedral. Yes, metaborate ion. Boron has one orbital vacant. So when OH minus group coming there, it combines with OH minus. So now total sigma bond are 4. So bonding pair 4, lone pair 0, and due to that hybridization of this boron is now sp3. So which is tetrahedral. हम लिखू बोले but it's like this tetrahedral. The orthoborate contains discrete borate ion in the solid. The BO3 units are hydrogen bound together into 2-dimension sheet with almost hexagonal symmetric structure. This is the structure of a boric acid. You can see one boron with 3 OH. OH you can see 10 OH. This is one molecule of a boric acid. Now another BOH, and BOH. Second molecule. So oxygen of this molecule combines with hydrogen of another molecule. So dotted line here indicates intermolecular hydrogen bond. Yes, dotted line indicates so this type of boric acid which is planar, two dimension means planar sheet, almost hexagonal structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagon type of structure occurs there. Now boron trihalides. Boron gives a trihalide. Why? Reason for that, boron has only 3 electrons in outermost orbit. One moves in 2p. So 3 unpaired and 1 is vacant orbital. Boron combines with halogen and form the halides type of BX3. Boron combines with 3 halogen gives boron trihalide BX3. So where X means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Preparation. Except BF3, other trihalide can be prepared by the treatment of halogen on a mixture of B2O3 and carbon at high temperature. એટલે PF3 સિવાયના other halides BCl3, BBr3, Bi3 can be prepared. Treatment of halogen on a mixture of B2O3 and carbon at high temperature. When we take boron trioxide, 3 mole of carbon and 3 mole of halogen. Here halogen should be chlorine, bromine, iodine, not fluorine. So what happens there? B2O3 માં oxygen remove કરું, so carbon is a reducing agent. 3 carbon combines with 3 oxygen as a 3 mole of carbon monoxide. So 1 boron combines with 3 halogen, so 2 boron combines with 6, so 2 mole of boron trihalide occurs. Here when we take chlorine, B2O3 plus 3C plus 3Cl2, so it gives 3 mole of carbon monoxide, then BCl3, boron trichloride. Now property of boron trihalides. Due to small size and high charge density of boron plus 3 ion. Charge density means charge upon radius is called charge density. Here charge is plus 3, radius is very small. So halides are covalent in nature. Reason for that. So boron halides generally are covalent in nature. Reason for that, high charge density. Charge is high and radius is low. So charge density is very high. So are covalent in nature. BF3 is gas. BCl3 is liquid and boiling point 30 degrees Celsius, which is low. BBr3 boiling point 90 degrees Celsius are fuming liquids, while Bi3 melting point 310 degree is a fusible solid. BF3 છે ગેસ છે, BCl3 છે એ પણ ગેસ છે. At room temperature boiling point 30 degree છે. BBr3 at room temperature liquid boiling point 90 degree are fuming liquids, એટલે કે easily evaporate થઈ જશે when we kept open in air, એની વરાળ બનાવશે. While Bi3 where melting point is 310 degree Celsius, which is a fusible solid, અને solid છે. BF3 BCl3 gas, BBr3 liquid, Bi3 solid. The trihalides are electron deficient compound. Electron deficient means octet is not completed. Boron atom acquires 6 electron on account of 3 boron halogen bond. Boron has 3 electron and when it combined with 3 halogen, so total number of electrons are 6 around the boron. So 2 electrons solved to complete an octet. Octet means 8 electron થવા જોઈએ, એમાં 2 electron less છે, so electron deficient છે. Thus the boron atom in BX3 molecule can accept 2 more electron. એટલે 1 vacant orbital માં તે 2 electron gain કરવાની capacity છે. An electron pair from the donor atom like nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, sulfur, fluorine as electrons of lone pair, so easily donates to boron atom, so easily combines with it. So it combines with ammonia, phosphine, water, H2S, HF, fluoride, etc. Species which donates electron pair easily combines with boron trihalide, respectively to form addition compound, donor acceptor compound. Here in ammonia, nitrogen has a one lone pair, BF3 has a one vacant orbital, so this is acceptor. इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर एक्सेप्ट करे तो लुईस एसिड, इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट करे तो लुईस बेस. So donates electron pair to this one. So here BF3 NH3 occurs here. The relative Lewis acid character of boron halide is found to follow the following order. Lewis character. Relative Lewis character. Lewis acid character means gaining nature of electron pair highest of the Bi3, but boron and fluorine both are small. So gaining nature of electron is less due to very small size. Atoms are very close to each other. So vacant orbital has a very low nature of gaining electrons. In the case of BCl3, in the case of BBr3, in the case of Bi3, here electronegativity of fluorine is high, here chlorine is less, here of bromine, here of iodine. So gaining nature is high. So which one is more? Boron trihalide, more Lewis acid. Why? Give me reason for that. BF3 is less acceptor group. So Lewis acid character is less in case of BF3. Why? Boron is a small, fluorine is a small. So here distance is low, bond length is low, so gaining nature less. Here bond length increases, and due to that easily it gains electron pair. Size increase થાય છે. All boron trihalide except boron trifluoride are hydrolyzed to boric acid. BF3 except BF3, all the trihalides hydrolyzed and forms boric acid. When we take BCl3, 3 mole water, 3H plus 3OH, 3H plus combines with 3Cl, so releasing of 3HCl, and gives boron with 3OH, H3BO3. Why BF3 is not reacting? Bond length is very short. Bond dissociation enthalpy is very high. So bond is not easily breaks. The degree of hydrolysis increase from BCl3 to Bi3. Covalent character increases because yes, in BF3 there is a ionic character. From BF3 to Bi3, covalent character increases. Due to resistance of BF3 to hydrolyze M, tendency to act as Lewis acid, BF3 is used as a catalyst in organic reaction. BF3 chain is not reacting with water, and also which is Lewis acid. So BF3 we are using as a Lewis acid as a catalyst in organic reaction. Why we are not using BCl3, BBr3, Bi3, which are react with waters, where BF3 is Lewis acid but not reacting with water. So we are using BF3 as a Lewis acid in organic reaction. BF3 form addition product with water. BF bond is very strong. Boron fluorine bond is very strong. Here actually what happens? In BF3 there is one vacant orbital we discussed. From the water OH minus coming there, OH donates electron pair to BF3. So BF3 and OH minus combining there, and with ionic bond H plus there combines with this complex. A complex સાથે H plus ionic form થી combine થશે. Now boron hydride. Boron forms a number of hydrides. Yes, boron gives number of hydrides. These are called boranes by analogy with the alkanes. જેમ કાર્બન હાઇડ્રોજન સાથે કમ્બાઇન થાય અને આલ્કેન્સ બનાવે છે. Yes, like this boranes. Boron is combining with hydrogen and forms very large compounds, and these are called boranes, like alkanes. Simplest boron hydride is BH3. But BH3 is unknown. The most important hydride is diborane. Simplest BH3 છે, પણ BH3 unknown છે. Why? Actually તે di molecules હોય છે in the form of a dimer. Only one vacant orbital. There is one vacant. Here 3 hydrogen. Hydrogen with vacant orbital. Yes. Vacant orbital with hydrogen combines and makes a diborane. આના બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન સહિત હાઇડ્રોજન કારણ કે સ્મોલ છે બધું જ એટલે ઇઝીલી ઓવરલેપિંગ હોય, ડાયબોરેન હોય છે. એટલે BH3 સિંગલ મોલેક્યુલ નથી હોતો. It is in the form of diborane, which has been extensively studied. Preparation of diborane. Boron trichloride. 4 mole of boron trichloride when react with 3 mole of lithium aluminium hydride in the presence of ether, it gives a diborane. 4 boron and 12 hydrogen. So B2H6, 12 hydrogen, 4 boron, 3 lithium with 3 chlorine, 3 LiCl. But here total chlorines are 12. So remaining are 9 chlorine, 3 aluminium. 1 aluminium with 3 chlorine, so 3 3 are 9. So it gives this type of reaction. But here ether as a solvent medium. Boron trichloride, silent electric discharge. In the closed vessel, we have to take BCl3 with hydrogen in absence of air, and we are passing electric current. So silent electric discharge. So here decomposition occurs. 6 chlorine combines with 6 hydrogen gives 6 HCl. Here 6 hydrogen with 2 boron. So B2H6 diborane occurs. Properties of diborane. Here it readily reacts with water liberating hydrogen gas. Diborane is reacting with water and gives orthoboric acid and liberate dihydrogen gas. Actually in B2H6, 2 boron, 6 hydrogen. And 6 small water means 6H plus 6 OH. 1 boron combines with 3 OH. So 2 boron with 6 OH. So 2 mole of orthoboric acid remaining 6 hydrogen and 12 hydrogen. So 6 mole of hydrogen gas liberates there. It reacts with chlorine, forming boron trichloride. Yes, diborane react with chlorine at high temperature. So here 1 boron with 3 chlorine. So 2 boron with 6, 2 BCl3. Here out of 6 chlorine, here 3 mole of chlorine. So here should be 6. So here should be 6. Yes. There is a mistake. B2H6 plus 6 Cl2 at high temperature gives 2BCl3 plus 6 HCl. Now, more reaction we will discuss about it in our next lecture. Till then, bye.